Namaskar, welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself Dr. M.T. Bushair, presenting weekly weather discussion. In this discussion I will be presenting about the last 1 week weather and about the weather that we are expecting next 2 weeks. First, let's discuss about the past week weather. Weak monsoon conditions continued to prevail during the week, with the western end of the monsoon trough north of its normal position and eastern end near the foothills of Himalaya during most days of the week. Very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall spell continued over Himalayan region, northeast India and northwest India during the week, with isolated extremely heavy rainfall was observed over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura on 7th August, East Uttar Pradesh on 8th August, Uttarakhand on 11th August, Jammu Kashmir on 12th August, Bihar and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 11th and 13th August. This causes further worsening of the flood situation over Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Additionally, landslide occurred in the few hilly areas, mainly over Uttarakhand and Jammu region during the week. If we talk about the central India, below normal rainfall was reported during the week. If we look into the satellite picture during the week, we can see that the main convective activity confined over the foothills of Himalaya and southern peninsular India, especially over eastern part of the southern peninsular India. Coming to the major synoptic systems that observed during the last week. So, two western disturbances affected the western Himalayan region during the week. The first from 7th to 9th August and the second from 10th and 12th August 2025. Due to the second western disturbances, heavy to very heavy rainfall was reported from the Jammu region. And if we talk about the another systems, a low pressure area formed over the west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal of North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast on 13th August. It causes a very heavy to isolated extremely heavy rainfall over Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam on 13th August. This low pressure area likely to move slowly west-northwestward across South Odisha, North Andhra Pradesh during next 24 hours. Now, if we look into the weekly rainfall that reported during last 7 days, if we look into this map, we can see that especially over the southern peninsular India, eastern part of the southern peninsular India, above normal rainfall was reported, and over the foothills of Himalaya, normal to above normal rainfall was reported, and over central India, including Rajasthan and Gujarat region, deficient and large deficient rainfall was reported. Large deficient rainfall also reported from the Western Ghat regions, including and also from the Lakshadweep. So, if we look into the quantitative value, country as a whole, the rainfall departure, that is the deviation from the normal, was 25%. Coming to the monthly rainfall, that is starting from the August 1 to 14th August, if we look into the map, we can see that the major rainfall activity confined over the foothills of Himalaya. Above normal rainfall was reported over the major parts of the foothills of Himalaya, starting from the Himachal Pradesh to Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and over the northeastern part of the country, normal rainfall was reported. If we look into the central India, including Rajasthan and Gujarat, we can see that deficient and large deficient rainfall was reported. And over the southern peninsular India, eastern part of the southern peninsular India, above normal rainfall is reported, and over the western Ghat region, including Kerala, coastal Karnataka and Konkan Goa region, a large deficient rainfall was reported. Coming to the seasonal rainfall starting from 1st June to 13th August, if you look into this map, we can see that most part of the country above normal or normal rainfall was reported, except over some pockets like Bihar, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Marathwada, deficient rainfall was reported. If you look into the quantitative value, east and northeast India, the departure value, that is deviation from the normal, is 16%, and northwest India it is 15%, central India it is 2%, and south peninsular India it is 1%. If you look into the country as a whole, the deviation from the normal is 0. That is almost normal rainfall it is received during this season till date. Now let's look into the forecast for next 2 weeks. First, let's look into the rainfall forecast. So for the week 1, rainfall is likely to be above normal over most part of the West India, many parts of Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, South Chhattisgarh, South Odisha, Madhya Pradesh and few parts of East Rajasthan. And rainfall is likely to be below normal over East India, Northeast India and Uttar Pradesh. Now coming to the week 2, the rainfall activity is likely to be above normal over most parts of the central India, West India, Odisha, Jharkhand and many parts of northwest India, Telangana, Gangetic West Bengal. Rainfall is likely to be below normal during the week 2 over South Uttar Pradesh and many parts of northeast India, Kerala, Rayalaseema and Andhra Pradesh. So coming to the forecast of cyclogenesis for next 2 weeks. So considering the various large scale environmental features and model guidances, it is predicted that there is no probability of cyclogenesis over North Indian Ocean during the next 2 weeks. However, the existing low pressure area, it is likely to move slowly west northwestward and across South Odisha, north coast Andhra Pradesh during next 24 hours. So there is a likelihood formation of a fresh cyclonic circulation over northwest Bay of Bengal, off Gangetic West Bengal and adjoining North Odisha coast during the end of the week 1, that is around 19th August. In addition, there is a likelihood formation of another cyclonic circulation over Gangetic West Bengal and North Odisha coast and adjoining areas of northwest Bay of Bengal during the end of the week 2, that is around 27th August, and it may move west northwestward across Jharkhand. So IMD's forecast and warnings are available on different social media platforms. IMD's apps are available in iOS and Android platforms. We request public to be updated with IMD social media platforms and apps. We will come every day with updated forecast and warning. Be updated with IMD. Namaskar.